Alright, this is part 2 of all the fans that are restored or preserved in the house. So, over here I got a neat display with my favorite fans of all time. The Janus wire mount. Alrighty, and a few fans I haven't decided what to do with yet. This is 1925 Polar Cub Type H. Still has the brass tag on it. This one needs a cage badge, but I just put this button on there and painted it gold for now. Runs rather good. This is a 16-inch deal fan. Alright, this is a 1940s General Electric Vortelex 12-inch. Oh, by the way, the Janus is a 1912 variant with the GE BMY motor. That's why it runs so smoothly. Alrighty. On to up here. We got 1931 Emerson B Jr. 8-inch. These are very, very underrated, overlooked fans. Super smooth running, ultra high quality. I'd recommend these for anyone who's just starting out fan collecting. So this is a 1926 Emerson Red Badge. And it's got a set of 21645 blades on it, which came on it when I bought it on eBay. Great running fan. And this is a 1930 10-inch Emerson Jr. So this is a 1923 or 24 Emerson 28646, which is the stationary version of the 29646. It's 1929 Emerson 73648. This is a 1923 Emerson Jr. stationary. Great running little fans. I love the badge style on those. This is a 1922 Singer 9-inch 1901. It's a commutator motor, but you can barely tell. It's got one of the quietest commutators because the sealed motor case is all iron. This was made by Deal. This is first year, 1917. You can see the riveted blade assembly and struts. So this is a Westinghouse Whirlwind. This is a 1920 to 1922 Western Electric list 7700, which is a rebadge of a R&M list 3500. It's a commutator fan. I'm going to have to redo the nichrome windings in the switch because the half-wave bridge rectifier diode does not run very well in this fan. Alright, so this is a 1930s Fitzgerald Star 7-inch. Very, very Art Deco style. Smooth, clean, moves a fair amount of air. Alright, here we've got a 1906 Morelli Areta. And this one does have a half-wave bridge rectifier diode for the slow speed. It's a native 165 volt fan, but I got everything tuned up enough where it runs on 117. This one I completely fabricated the cage on. So that's on low. There's not a lot of difference going to high, but just a little bit. Alright, this is a Menominee clamshell. See the brass tag back here. So this one had a jacked up steel wing, so I re-winged it with a brass cut from an old Emerson blade that was no good anymore. And then custom fabricated this 12-wire 8-inch cage. You see the size of the cage. So this commutator, it's a bit noisy. Alrighty, another fan I haven't found a place for yet is this Air Castle 148H. Nice running fan. Alright, that concludes part 2 of the antique fans in the house. Please stay tuned for part 3.